In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off shot meter in 2K25 MyLeague/Play Now. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to manage the meter and customize specific aspects about it, so the arrow, the feedback, and other pop-ups. So in order to customize all of this, what you have to do is go into My Career and then go into My Player. When you go to My Player, go into the Animations category. So My Career, My Player, and finally Animations. In here, you will find the Customize HUD option all the way to the right, and this is where you will be able to customize things related to the shot meter. The first thing that you might want to turn off is the visibility for shots. So this is the shot meter itself. When you go in Animations, Customize HUD, you will find shot meter shots, and finally you can turn the visibility for shots off. There are also other options that you can manage, so visibility for shots, for layups, free throws, and then how the graphic looks, the color, size, and placement. So customize all of this. Either turn it all off or make it so it doesn't distract you as much. As you saw, you will be able to change the positioning of the arrow, the size, the color, and other options. Then when it comes to the feedback tags that you see here, this pop-up, you just have to go back and on the categories, instead of going to shot meter shots, go to shot feedback. In shot feedback, you will once again have plenty of customization options. So you can change the visibility. If you want it completely gone, just turn it off, or you can change to other options such as user only, free throws, or all shots. Then customize other options, the distance, timing, free throw percentage, and coverage. As long as you change these main settings here, you will be able to have the feedback gone according to what you prefer. You can also change the perfect release animation and sound effect if you want. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off shot meter in 2K25. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.